You want to learn how to install the easiest steel fence on the market? I'm going to show you how. I want to talk to you a little bit about this Bison Tough steel jack fence. There's a couple of things you need to know. It's made for deer and elk to get over, for antelope to get under. It's got a heavy-duty 2 3/8 front bar, a heavy-duty 2 3/8 back leg. It's got a high tensile insert here that goes inside this 1.9-inch steel pipe. It's got a cap on the top to keep the birds and the hornets out, and the birds won't build nests in there. It was specifically designed for the BLM and government use. It's fireproof and it keeps most critters in. So you want to build a heavy-duty steel pipe jack fence, you need to give us a call. So if you want to install heavy-duty steel fence and you want to make it tough, you might as well install steel jack fence. You might as well make it Bison Tough.